there it is. That's what I'm looking for. Whew. I'm telling you, somebody like a gas power shovel that actually works, I'll buy 2 of them. Promise you. I realize they make some type of a slip type joint, but when I went to the irrigation store, I forgot about it. Come on, baby, get in there. Hot daddy dog. Woo-hoo! Done deal. And I'll come right here and hook this last little bit up. And there we go. So what's going on here is this right here is my main line that goes to the irrigation at the yard, and it actually had a crack in it back here. I don't know if that crack came from me digging right here to uncover this other line, or if it had been there. I have no idea. I'm glad I found it. So fix that. And this line here is the line that went to that old water spigot with the blue handle over there. I just tapped into it for the irrigation, and I couldn't go down here and put the valve because I had to have my valve box up a little close to the ground. So I just kind of rerouted it up and over. That way now I can put my valve box there and be good to go. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day today. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the garden renovation. It is coming along nicely. The irrigation has been installed. All of the rough grading is pretty much done. I've just kind of got to run over it one more quick time and really flatten it out nice and bust up a few clods here and there, and it will be ready for grass seed. So be sure and like and subscribe and tell all your buddies, because I've got 16 good reasons that you should hang around and check this out. I appreciate you watching. Check you later.